Quantifying the world. Mastering quantitative adjectives in English. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and practical area of English grammar: quantitative adjectives. As the name suggests, quantitative adjectives are all about quantities. They help us describe how much or how many of something there is. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use them confidently to express quantities in English. Let's start from the beginning. Quantitative adjectives are words that modify a noun to indicate its quantity. It's not about describing how something looks, feels, or acts, but rather how much of it exists. For example, in the sentence, "She has 3 cats," 3 is the quantitative adjective. Remember, these adjectives are essential in everyday conversation. They help us explain amounts, sizes, and degrees of things, making our speech more detailed and precise. Did you know that quantitative adjectives can be further divided into 2 categories? They're called exact and indefinite. Let's delve into each one. 1. Exact quantitative adjectives. These provide an exact number to the noun they modify. For instance, "I ate 2 apples." Here, the number 2 is an exact quantitative adjective. 2. Indefinite quantitative adjectives. Unlike exact adjectives, these don't provide an exact number but still indicate an approximate quantity. For example, in "I have several books on English grammar," several is an indefinite quantitative adjective. Understanding the difference between these 2 categories is vital to use them correctly in your sentences. Let's look at some more examples to make this crystal clear. Exact quantitative adjectives. She read 4 chapters of her book. We have 1 dog. Indefinite quantitative adjectives. I have some flowers for you. They need a lot of help with the project. Note how in each of these examples, the adjective tells us about the quantity of the noun it's modifying. Quantitative adjectives are a critical component of English language communication. Whether we're talking about 1 apple or several apples, these adjectives help us express the quantity in clear terms. Keep practicing the use of these adjectives in your conversations, and you'll master them in no time. Remember, language learning is a journey, and each step brings you closer to fluency. As always, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. We hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more lessons, and until next time, happy language learning!